Welcome to 1330 Brook Street, apartment number D, 2-bed, 2-bath apartment on the ground floor. Out back we have a nice balcony, patio I should say, wood-burning fireplace, and a very generous sized living room. As we head back towards the entrance door, which is on the right here, we have the laundry room, side-by-side, full-size washer dryer. And this is the coat closet, and just around the corner here, we have the dining and kitchen area. Very generous size, table for 4 or 6. Dishwasher, fridge, and stove. And the door at the end is the pantry. Let's continue on down the hall here. And here we have the first of 2 bathrooms. This one has a tub and shower. The door on the right is the linen closet. And here we're going into the second bedroom. Nice size. Bring your queen size bed here. King size will fit in if you squeeze a little bit. Good size closet. Central heat, central air. And this is the principal bedroom. 14 by 12. Definitely bring your king size bed. A nice large walk-in closet. And around the corner, we have your own private bath. So that's 1330 Brook Street in St. Charles. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you in person, or visit the website for more information at 1350brook.com. That's 1350brook.com. Thanks and have a great day.